Okay, so we're going to be looking at the CFA that y'all got back yesterday, and I want to make sure that you know if you made any mistakes, you found them. So for the first one, I'm going to distribute 3, and I get 3x minus 6 plus y. That's all you can do. Next one, I'm going to distribute the negative 5, so you can just watch along, but negative 5x minus 30 equals negative 35. Add 30 to both sides. Negative 5x equals negative 5. Divide both sides by negative 5. So x equals 1. You can plug that back into your answer to check, or to your question. Next, I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. So I have negative y is greater than or equal to 4x plus 11. Then divide by negative 1 to get rid of the negative in front of the y. So y is less than 4x minus 11. Okay, because I had to switch the sign. For this problem, you're going to be using the stat function of your calculator. The answer choice was C. However, if you put B, I only took off 2 points. So I added back 5 points because you just misrounded if you did that problem. Okay, so hopefully you understand how to round. Okay, the answer here was 710 equals 15x plus 500. And if you solve for x, you get 14 people. You could have also tried each one. So next, 15 times 20 plus 500 is 800. So most of us got those right. Okay, next you need to solve for y. So in doing so, we're going to subtract 6x from both sides, then divide by negative 3. So y equals negative 7 plus 2x. So there's only 2 answer choices that have negative 7. And then you have to look and see that only one of them has the slope of positive 2. Okay, for the next one, it's a dotted line, and it's shaded below. So there's only one that's a dotted line shaded below. Okay, the next one is an inverse. Now, the first graph is the line, but you don't want the line, you want the inverse of the line. So you take those ordered pairs and switch them. Well, I took the y-intercept and made it the x-intercept, and there's only one answer choice that fits that. Okay, there is a question like this on your test. I really hope you know how to do it. Don't pick the line that this equation is. It wants the inverse of it. Find a point, switch x and y. Find another point, switch x and y. Okay, now if it's a graphic situation, put it in y equals in your calculator. Okay. Switch x and y and put it in your stat. Okay? No, it's not a function because x repeats. Okay, domain and range. Y'all can look at those. We've talked about that at length. And the last one, the y-intercept is 3, the slope is 1/5. And then point slope form, you just plug in for x1 and y1. But the actual x and the actual y stay as part of the equation. Okay? So, that's where all that, so once again, this and this have to actually stay as part of the equation. And then the other 2 points are a point on the line. So that's the review, that's me going over the CFA. Hopefully you found all your mistakes and you won't make them tomorrow.